Okay, so I cut 2 chicken breasts in half, and you can either pound it out and make it thin, or you can cut it in half. So this is 1 breast, and I cut it in half. And this is enough, it's just John and I, so this is plenty. And then look at all that we have left. I mean, this was cheaper than buying just a pack of 4. Normally I buy it like this, but this was on sale today. So we'll freeze this, and there's so many different things that you can do with chicken. We'll use the rest of these breasts for something else at a later date. Okay, Sonia, so what I did is I took the chicken breasts and I cut them in half. If you buy chicken breasts that are thick, you can pound them out and make them thin, but I chose to cut them in half. So this is what I ended up with. This was 1 breast. As you can see, I cut it in half. This was 1 breast. I cut it in half. This is plenty for John and I, so there's basically 4 pieces for each of us. What we bought today was, there's 8 breasts here total, and that's a lot of chicken. So we'll probably freeze the rest of this, and the next time I do rosemary chicken, I've got some. There's so many different things that you can do with chicken, so here you go. Stay tuned for what's next. Okay, so I'm gonna wash the chicken. You know, you have to do that. So I'm gonna rinse it off, and then I'm gonna dry it really well with a paper towel. Big one, so I'm just going to use this and then this little one. I don't think you can do too much of this. And then garlic, I've got some cloves. I've got 5. The recipe probably calls for like 3 or 4, but oh well, you can't have too much. So what I'm going to do is pull off my rosemary, just like this. Yank it off. That's pretty good. Gosh, it already smells really good. Then I'm going to take my garlic cloves, throw those in there, just a few at a time, and start chopping. Get those in there. Oh my gosh, this smells so good already. Rosemary is so fragrant. It's one of my favorite ingredients. It complements everything, especially chicken. And check this thing out. I mean, I love it. You don't have to use this, but I just happen to have it. John had it. I love it. It's concave in the middle. You know, the blade, you can just rock it. I'm rocking it. Not too much. Just a pinch of pepper. Throw them in here. And don't worry if they're a little crowded, it's okay. They're just all like loving each other. It's all good. And now I'm I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is 2 right here. See, that's 2. Pour it over, just drizzle it over, and then 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. That's good stuff. Ooh, it smells good. It's potent. Like that. And then dump that in the whole thing. Just like that. Now, sprinkle that on there like that. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. We need smell-o-vision. And then of course, if we achieve smell-o-vision, you're gonna want taste-o-vision, right? I know. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna get my hands in here, just give it a little adjusting. Yummy. All right, so I'm gonna cover this up and put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes, 15. I like them bite size. You know, that's probably about that size. That's a good bite on your fork.
So you don't think that they eat asparagus?
I don't know.
Probably because Daniel don't eat shit. Daniel needs to come and spend some time with me and teach him how to eat, and then he won't worry about it tasting like feet.
I can't use this. There's no cheese, honey. Don't worry about it.
No, you can use this. You just have to put music over it.
Yeah. I can put both in.
Because I have both on this.
Rosemary Chicken and John's is
Jumping off.
It's jumping off, yeah. So, you guys, we gotta go. It's good right now. But we'll get your opinion later.
She took the phone.
I was gonna say that. I have to walk away. That's how you record it. Guys. Alright, bye. Bitches.
Hey, I'll call you soon when I can.
I got the last word. It was bitches.
What was it? This is what you need to do when you need to cook. What? And your friends call.
I gotta go, bitches.
Is that what you said?
Yeah. You know, and look. This is jumping off. Honey, stop. Turn the camera. This is jumping off. This is good right now.
I got that.
Let me turn it up. I know. All right, shut it off.
You shut it off.
Dang it. Wow, that smells good.
So what do you got in there?
I got olive oil, garlic, mushrooms, shallots. That's it.
So what do you do? You like heated up the oil, put some mushrooms and shallots in there, and then threw the mushrooms in there, right?
Yeah.
And there's the chicken. That's still going. Still looking good. Tortellinis in.
Put some heavy cream in here, but I'm going to let that cool down a little bit, but it's going to get kind of crispy, crunchy, yummy. That's what's happening right now. That's going to be good. Look at it up close.
All them sticky bites.
Oh, it smells so good. I know. I need to deglaze it with a little bit of wine. Oh, I forgot that. I'm going to do, oh, perfect.
Dun, dun, dun,
Dun, dun, dun, cooking wine. This is going to, like, make it bomb. I can probably use, I can use the rest of that. I'm just gonna let that cook down to nothing. Alright, I'm gonna put this. Go ahead. Oh, you must have done this. Can't use those. Oh, that looks good.
Yummy!
I know you like it all burnt, but that does look good. So I'm probably gonna let this go another probably 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna turn this down though. It's looking good. Let's check the tortellini. Oh, that's looking really good. Okay, this is probably ready for some heavy cream. I just have to do that. I have to smell it. It's like, then I'm like, it's ready. I don't know. I can't time or measure to the T, but that's just like, okay, that's probably enough. Smell it. I'll taste it. I'm going to bring this to a boil and then I'll probably give it a little taste. Oh yeah, that looks good. See, that's pretty. That's just pretty. Okay, now I gotta start working on this. Whoa. You know, sometimes I kind of...
Hang out for a second.
No, that's gonna be good. I gotta get this going, honey.
Okay.
I'm just gonna turn this back burner.
What do I add that?
Okay. You want me to do one thing at a time? Yeah, okay, because this... I mean, you can eat this like raw.
Now, what are you gonna do with that?
You said I'm gonna put that in there. Didn't you?
I'm thinking you should, whenever that chicken come out, you should put that in there.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna marry these two.
Yeah.
But this has to go in at some point too.
It's in.
But I can use pasta water. I'm gonna need that. Do not let me forget pasta water.
So
you have to. You gotta scoop out.
So that's 18 seconds.
I measured it so that they're all like bite size. You know, I like them like that. They're all bite size, and each piece has its own space. That's what you want. That's what I want. That's how I like it. I don't know if this is right or wrong. This is just good. That looks so good.